On this day 5 years ago, the first cases of COVID-19 were confirmed in Michigan. It spawned a years-long effort to stop the spread, stay-at-home orders, and it changed the way many people and places went about their lives. Julie Dunmeyer has more on this reflection point.
It's been nearly 5 years since the COVID-19 pandemic began in West Michigan, during which DeVos Place went from serving as a community gathering space to a community vaccine clinic. We spoke with Corewell Health about the logistical efforts the pandemic brought, as well as got reflection thoughts from community. March 10th, 2020, cases of COVID-19 first identified in Michigan.
Yeah, it was a pretty crazy time. I was actually just graduating school, so I was right here at Grand Valley, March of 2020.
My daughter didn't have a graduation.
5 years later, Julie Bolson, Director of Business Assurance for Corewell, reflects.
There was a lot, obviously, in the 2.5 years of our response.
Navigating where to put patients, staffing, and doing it all from behind a computer screen.
My team was always of the belief that managing an incident within our incident command structure always needed to be done in person to be the most effective. By being forced into remote work from a COVID perspective, we really found that we were just as efficient.
Getting a fully functional vaccine clinic up and running.
We actually gave over 12,000 vaccines one day while the clinic was open.
Forming a partnership with Trinity Health and the Kent County Health Department.
Really making sure that we could spread vaccines out and make them available to folks that might not have cars.
5 years later, memories linger.
I think it's really impressive how our technology has allowed us to pivot so quickly and so effectively.
It was a lot of changes, I couldn't even barely catch the bus, but it was a trying time.
The power of a pandemic affecting people and places all along the way.
So our goal is to keep our door open.
Julie Dunmeyer, Fox 17 News.
This week also marks 5 years since the coronavirus outbreak was classified as a pandemic. The designation came on March 11th of 2020 after the World Health Organization determined the outbreak was an international public health emergency. Before 2020, the last pandemic was the swine flu, H1N1, in 2009. That virus claimed hundreds of thousands of lives across the globe. As of June of 2024, almost 1.2 million people in the U.S. alone died from COVID-19, according to the CDC. The COVID-19 pandemic officially ended in May of 2023.